Good afternoon. My name is William Andres Manrique Linares. Presentation my identification. I have come to present the explanation for step 2. Valuation and negotiation of technology. Step 2 comprehended in intellectual property. Code 143. Excessive processing time. Admission to process. Examination of the application form. Publication of the requests. Opposition. Application for patentability examination. Grant of denial. Excessive processing time. Finally, I have 3 recommendations. Review statistic data, national and foreign industrial property documents, prepare surveys, interviews, and have an update database characterizing the main elements of patent application filed with the Superintendence of Industry and Commerce. 2. A general review of patents as industrial property registration from the DANE Technological Development and Innovation Service, where the current status of the registration in the country is evidenced. 3. A delayed diagnosis of patent application filed with the Superintendence of Industry and Commerce, that is, those invention and utility model patents that are filed and admitted for processing by the state. Bye bye.